Guangdong Jiangsu Machinery Equipment Co., Limited is located in Huadu District, Guangzhou, China. It's a professional manufacturer of casting equipment, and integrates development, design, manufacture and service. The main products are fully automatic horizontal shooting molding machine, automatic top undershooting sand molding machine, fully automatic slide-out horizontal parting molding machine and fully automatic molding production line. We can provide a professional casting molding solution for foundry enterprises and help foundry enterprises solve molding problems. Improve the level of molding automation, replace the labor, reduce the labor cost and improve the work efficiency with Zoom molding machine. The characteristics of Zoom molding machine: high configuration, high efficiency, high survival rates and the molds, long service life, low failure, low energy consumption, low maintenance cost. Our factory can customize the machine model according to the size of the customer's products and provide many-to-one service. Up to now, our machines are sold well in China, and exported to Russia, Korea, Vietnam, India, Turkey, Algeria, Egypt, etc. Our machines are running well, and good feedback.
了解广东中铸，我是中国铸造协会装备分会的理事。这个是我们中国以后在招衔线方面，希望你们在科技不断进步，技术不断更新的情况下，更上一层楼。谢谢。You very very good. Yes.
非常好，
心情还好，以后如果用得好，我们继续购买。
中铸一个是团队好，另外我感觉中铸，这几年吧，应该说在国内国外都是非常有名气。我感觉最主要因为它的品质，中铸做这个造型机，这系列产品的品质非常好，所以说我感觉，选中铸造型机绝对没有错。